What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is the Black Barbie. So today we're going to Walmart and getting the lasagna so my mom can make it. I've been begging her to make lasagna. So let's make lasagna. Let's go. Look, the black phone is in my hand. So what do you want to do? Okay. Whee! Picture. So let's go. Woo! Okay, cart. Wait, run, come back. Oh, Mommy, you dropped it. So, let's see. So, cottage cheese. The mozzarella. Oh, sauce, the big one. Good thing I got it. Woo! Let's place it in the cart. Ooh, a picture of Zonia. I want that one. Let's dance. So, chocolate in my hand. Mommy, that's you. What are you doing? Stop dancing. Okay, fine. Okay, let's jump, 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 and jump. So, let's eat our chips. I got chips, chips, chips. So, let's place this, Sonia in. So, what we're doing the cottage cheese inside the bag. I mean, inside the bowl, guys. That's not what I mean. Inside the bowl. So, after this, let's dump it! Okay, so let's place the cottage cheese. Whee! Oh, look, Marshally. Guys, spinning the bowl and placing the Marshally. I'm a real chef. Got egg. So mix it. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Ooh, so mixy. Ooh. Oh, the cheese. The cheese. The meat. The meat. So, let's mush the meat. Hiya! That's how you make lemonade. So, let's place the peppers and onions in. And, garlic. Guys, we're going to do after the garlic, I'm doing the season. Guys, you know. So let's place this. Oh, spin the bowl in the hall. Ooh, so meat. So, let's place this lasagna together. Ooh. The spaghetti. Another spaghetti. Cottage cheese. Hiya! Whoa! Oh, I messed up. One more forgive me. So, let's place all this lasagna in. Jeez! Why did I eat it? Okay. At least the lasagna looked good. The piece. Oh no! The lasagna is gone. Okay, sorry, lasagna, but I had to eat you. So, let's taste. Yeah!